100% money back guarantee. That is the AMS Landscaping brand promise. We hold this promise up to 7 days upon the completion of any work that we do. This is for workmanship, labor that is performed on your property. Majority of what AMS does is landscape cleanups, maintenance, that sort of thing. We even have ways to make sure we're covered for material costs, but materials like granite, plants, we get those approved before we put them in. But once they're delivered to the property, it's something that's kind of out of our scope or out of our abilities. It's really not our product, but what part that we guarantee is 100% money back on the results of the work. And we want to hold this promise for up to a week past when we complete the work, and just knowing that at the end of the day, we want to make it right for you. And of course, the first thing we're going to do is try to make it right first. And, if there's an issue, we want to fix it. Of course, we want the opportunity to make it right. But, at the end of the day, we want people to be stress-free and not have to worry about, hey, what's included in this? We will 100% give you your money back if you're not satisfied with our work. And that's our brand promise to you. Reach out to us here at azlawns.com is our website. Please follow us on Facebook and YouTube at AMS Landscaping. Also, check us out on Instagram and Twitter at AZ Lawns. Make it a great day.